Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we had an epic day at the allotment, getting it all sorted for this lovely summer weather that we've got. It's been an absolutely amazing weekend, just adding on from the lovely hot weather we've had. However, because of this, we needed to get the allotment sorted. The weeds are starting to take control of some of the beds. We already harvested quite a lot of broccolis early in the week, but it's got some more, and we've got more plants coming along absolutely perfectly. So this is just some of the before shots of what we were doing, because we're trying to get this space as productive as possible. The potatoes in those bags are doing well. Trees, we've got plums or something coming up on there. The cabbages, the brassicas, I spent quite a long time clearing those beds. That bed's already been partly. That one was going to become a strawberry bed. We've got strawberries coming out and they're absolutely amazing. I finally got to try one, as you can see, hiding under there. But yeah, bit of a mess, needing work.
To trespass, but you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft, I've got my moves, I got my song. When I turn my mojo on.
So yeah, we cleared the beds, as you can see Gavin there working hard on getting those beds cleared, because it's not easy work. Yep, but it needed it. And as you can see, that bed's looking a hell of a lot better. Absolutely amazing. There you go, bed dug up, looking nice. Strawberry bed, new strawberry bed. We brought a whole heap of strawberry plants, put them in. All my plants have had to be moved from home because of moving house. But yep.
Queen of Hearts, when everyone folds your
Hi guys, so as well as our busy allotment day, we also want to talk about a little giveaway we're doing, eh Emily?
Yes.
Emily's helped me put these little boxes together, and we would like to just show you what's in them. So here you go guys, enjoy. So this is the little gift box we put together, and this gift box is just our way of saying thank you. And in each box has got 4 packets of seeds that you can grow at this time of year to get you going, or for the gardener who loves to garden. It comes with this, which is just a little attachment you can put onto any sort of, drinking bottle, so that you can water your plants without needing an expensive watering can. Here are a whole heap of these are sort of biodegradable seed pouches, so you can start your seeds in these, and they're all biodegradable, which is amazing. And then, to help get you even further started, there's some, I think it's called cocoa compost. You chuck that in water and then leave it for a while. It expands, and then it turns into compost, and I've used this for some of my seeds and they're absolutely thriving, so highly recommend that stuff as well. And just to help you a bit further as you get down your growing journey, oh god, I'm not making it look very easy. This is a special little, this part of it is a fabric growing box. It's quite large, so so you would fit quite a lot of vegetables in it. It's quite deep. It all needs to be held up with your compost, etc. You could even put your little seedling packets in it to grow your vegetables so that you've got them in a contained area. And the black's great for retaining the heat. Again, it's fabric, so that's what I love about it. So there you go, guys. I've got 3 of these boxes to give away, and my little friend and me and Emily have been putting these together. She absolutely loves making things, so if you'd like to receive one, win one, just don't forget to comment on the video, so with that we know you're interested and that we can put you in the draw for. They make absolutely fabulous gifts. You give them to friends, family, keep them for yourself on your growing journey, or great teacher gifts, that sort of thing, maybe for someone who does like growing. But we had fun making them, didn't we? We're gonna make more, maybe? Yeah. If people want more, we'll make more. But there you go, guys. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. So here's a little video of the after. And photos of what we took our plot, sort of during and after. Looking so much better once we finished. Such pleasing work to get it all finished. It did take its time. Tomatoes, chilies and peppers all grown nicely. There's a grapevine at the side there. That's just a newish bed we've got with lots of little things starting. Got my lettuce bit there, all sorts of other bits growing. Broccolis, lettuce, there's some mint up there. And this is our carrot bed. We planted a few packets of carrots into there, so hopefully we get some more brassicas. Oh yeah, and this is extra strawberry beds, strawberries. Here we planted some extra bits which Gav decided to call Bondi broccolis because he was hoping that they grow. Now this has got my cucumbers and melons and courgettes in it. That bed needs some work. That's the onions and lettuces. That's potatoes. Another bed there with that's our sweet corn patch that we growing. Lots of little sweet corn.